11-8, another short section. Expected value. The standard way to find expected value is to multiply each possible outcome by its probability and then add these products. We use the letter E to represent the expected value. The outcomes and probabilities for a number of girls in a 3-child family. The number of girls being 0 is 1 out of 8. The probability of 1 girl is 3 out of 8. The probability of 2 girls is 3 out of 8, and the probability of 3 girls is 1 out of 8. Find the expected value for the number of girls for a family of 3 children. To find the expected value, E, we do the outcome. Multiply the possible outcome by the probability. 0 times 1/8 plus 1 times 3/8 plus 1 times 3/8 plus 3 times 3/8. Oops. A little ahead of myself. 3 times 3/8 gives me 0 plus 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 9/8, which gives me 15/8. The expected value is 1 7/8. You can expect to have 1 7/8 girls. We know that we can't have a part of 1, but that's the way it is. The next section, or the next example, a game is played using 1 die. If the die is rolled and it shows a 1, 2, or 3, the player wins nothing. If the die shows 4 or 5, the player wins $3. And if the die shows 6, the player wins $9. If there is a charge of $1 to play the game, what is the game's expected value? Describe what this means in practical terms. Okay, so as we're talking about this problem, okay, you can roll a 1, 2, or 3. If I roll those, okay, you win nothing. So I'm going to do this. Win $0. But you actually lose $1 because you paid $1 to play it. What's the probability of those happening? 1, 2, or 3 is 3 out of 6 or 1/2. Okay, if you roll a 4 or 5, you win $3, but you paid 1, so that equals $2. You lose 1, or you paid 1, so you only get $2 for winning. And the probability of that happening is 1 out of 3, 2 out of 6. The probability of getting a 6, or sorry, the amount that you get if you roll 6, you get $9. But you paid $1, so you actually only get $8. And the probability of that happening is 1 out of 6. The expected value, E. Well, I have -1 times 1/2 plus 2 times 1/3 plus 8 times 1/6. -1/2 plus 2/3 plus 4/3. I've got -1/2 plus 6/3 or 1 and 6, or this is 6/3 is 2. 2 minus 1/2 is 1/2, so you got 1 and 1/2, or you can expect to win $1.50. On to the next.